Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will try to show you how to create Google Analytics 4 funnel explore report. You know that in the previous video I had shown you how to create the free form report in Google Analytics 4. So if you do not watch this video, then link will be the description box. You can check it out from here. So now let's get started for explore report. You can see that I am landing on the Google Analytics 4 interface. So in the left hand side you have to find out the explore, so click on it, and blank we have to create the report from the sketch. So I have to find out the explore report. So firstly we have to create report for the funnel exploration. So you have to click on it, funnel exploration report, and in the left side you have a see the row, that is the variable section, and you have to find out the segment option, dimension, and metrics. As well as in the right side we have an option to optimize our segment, dimension, and metrics, and as well as the step. So now question is why we are set up the funnel exploration report. You can see that that is the advantages of funnel exploration report in Google Analytics 4. You can find out where you are losing customer. Funnel reports show the full journey, you know that, from the product page, add to cart, checkout, purchase. That is called the funnel. And step by step, you have to create the report and measure that where you are losing your customer. And exactly, you have to find out this where your user drop out. And if I'm go to the second one, you can find out the hidden revenue opportunity. If 100 people are add to cart, but from the 100 only buying the 10, that is something wrong. So funnel data helps you to spot and fix the issue and leading to more sales without more traffic. So I am going to the third one, understand device behavior, mobile versus desktop. Maybe mobile user are dropped. So funnel report help you tailor the experience to different device and stop losing mobile sales. Suppose your selling performance for the desktop device, your selling performance okay, but for the mobile it is not okay. So by using the funnel exploration report, you find out the actual report why your mobile device are not generating the more leads. So you have to fix out this. And if I'm go to the fourth one, test and improve with confidence. You can use funnel insight to test small changes, fix the issue. If you find out any issue, suppose it will be the your landing page design, you do not use in that effective image or your interface, then you can change it and you can test it by using the funnel exploration report. And if I'm go to the last one, make data backed decision. Everyone trying to selling the more product, and every business owner also have a dream to fix the issue of their website or mobile apps. So funnel exploration report are giving the actual costs and data that help you to increase the sales. It will be the marketing, it will be the design and pricing decisions. So now we go to the funnel exploration report and see that how can we create. So firstly you have to creating the step, then go to different kind of segment, dimension, and metrics. So now I am clicking the pencil icon from the step, and we are quick go to the first one. I am just giving the session start. Go to the event and find out the session start. There you can see the session start. And our next step is just to create the funnel and see that what actually happened on the report. So second one is I'm directly go to the view item. You know that what is the view item. When anybody comes to your website, they are opening a product page, that is the view item event. And if you set up the Google Analytics for e-commerce setup with the Google Tag Manager, then you have to find out this kind of event and go to event. We are just searching on the view item. Here you can see that view item event, and the next step is add to cart. We are just go to the event for the add to cart. Here you can see that add to cart, and our another step is event. We are find out the begin checkout, and our we have to giving the name for begin checkout step 4, and our final step is purchase. Let new conditions event, and the find out the purchase. So we have to apply on it and see the funnel loop. We have to create the 5 step. you can see that 54K are starting their session, and 7.7K are go to the UI tip event. Abandonment rate is 71.6. And then the next one is add to cart. Only 1.5K are completed the add to cart event, and for the begin checkout only 766. And if I go to the purchase user, that will be the only 817, and they are all are the active user. That is the funnel who are starting the session start and view item event, add to cart, begin checkout, and finally they are buying the product. That means purchase. That also the 807. So you can see that in the make open funnel, that is the close. GA4 are automatically close this funnel. That means your total user who are coming, who are start the session, and they are buying the product. That is the journey, and who are stay with the journey. If I am open the funnel, number will be look see, and you can see that I am opening the funnel and the number will be the increase, because if anybody start with that to cart and go to the purchase, that will be also counted. So now question is, what kind of decision we have to take for our business? That means our view item event show the 7.9 and 1.5 for that to cart and 790 for the begin checkout, and only 833% are buying our product. But from the begin checkout and the purchase, that is not the huge gap. I think begin checkout page and purchase page are perfectly work, because from the begin checkout and purchase, they have not the more difference. That is the message for the business owner. Begin checkout page and purchase page are for this business. So if I am go to the segment, so I am just adding the segment. What kind of segment we have to use that here? You can see that in the segment sections we have an option to put this type of segment name. So if I am go to the paid traffic, because paid traffic, and apply on it and confirm it and double click on it, and we are see the report only who are coming from by the paid traffic. So you have to understand that by using our ads, how many visitor comes to our website and they are journey this funnel. So I am just remove it and see that what about the organic traffic. So I am selecting the organic traffic and confirm it. So now you can see that our number is decreased. Organic traffic is not generate the more sales. The paid traffic are generated the more sales. So I am remove the organic traffic from it, and also the dimension, and from the dimension I am just go to the session medium and confirm it and double click on it. We have to find out our session medium, from the which medium our visitor are coming from. So here you can see the CPC and referral organic and none. And you can see that our CPC are generated the more sale. So if I am just filter it session medium, and I want to see that only the exactly matches only the CPC. So we have to find out if I am apply on it, and we only see the CPC funnel. You can see that by the CPC, we have to find out the report in the funnel exploration. So we have to find out the CPC funnel by using the filter, and you can see that that is the Google Merchant Shop. I'm go to my client website that will help to find out our real scenario. So I'm back to it. So that is my client site, and also we have to create the step. You can see that also you can understand that how can I create the step, each and every step. So from here, I'm adding the segment and see the mobile traffic. What is the happening for the mobile? So confirm it. So I am double click on the mobile traffic. If I open the funnel, I can see that the abandonment rate is from the session start to view item 3.7K, and from the view item to add to cart 129, and begin checkout and the purchase. So I am adding the more. So segment and go to the web traffic, that is the desktop, confirm it and double click on the web traffic, and see that by using the web traffic, I do not generated the more sales. That is the for the mobile traffic. That session started 34,479, and the web traffic is 8,449. So we have to concern about the website or web traffic. So we have to take the decision. We have to more focus on the web traffic. We have to try to redesign our web traffic. So this kind of decision we have to take by using the funnel exploration report. So if I go to the dimension and also the traffic source and then session source platform and confirm it. If I am double click on it to adjust the dimension, you can see that from the Google Ads, okay, it will generate the more purchase. So that will be the work perfectly by the Google Ads. You can see that. So again, I am close the session source platform. I have to add the session source medium. So I'm just typing the session source and confirm it and double click on the dimension to adjust the row, and we are filtered the session source and we have to pick the individual source. So I'm just pick the exactly matches, and you can see the meta PPC. You know that that is for the Facebook or Meta. I'm selected on it and apply on it and see that what is the happening for the Meta ads. You can see that the Facebook ads are do not performing the more because the from the session start we can see that 3K are start their session, but we do not find out the any sales. So we can understand that for the Facebook, we do not generated the more purchase. So this kind of decision you have to take from the funnel exploration report. So I'm just remove the mobile traffic and web traffic to understand the more, and we have to filter again on it and remove the meta PPC, and we are selecting the Klaviyo. You know that Klaviyo is a email platform, and apply on it, and we can see that Klaviyo are not performing well for this. So we have to understand how can we create the report for the funnel exploration report. So at the end, I can say that you have to optimize your funnel exploration report according to your need and according to your business goal. You can create your funnel exploration report. So I hope this video is helpful for you to create the funnel exploration report for your business. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video with a new topic. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.